Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this gold smoky eye look. Gold eyeshadows is something that I like using in everyday basis, so I thought let's do a gold eye look for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see another everyday wearable eye look, and let's get started. I have already done my face makeup and you can find all the products in the description box below. For today's eye look I'm gonna use the Daydream eyeshadow palette by Alter Ego. This palette has the perfect shades for a gold smoky eye look and it has this beautiful ethereal design. I'm gonna start off with this light peachy matte eyeshadow. It is called Bubbly. I'm gonna buff that in the crease area with the brush 17 by NYX Cosmetics. I'm also blending this eyeshadow towards the brow bone. After that I'm taking this brown eye pencil by Maybelline. It is called the Line Refine Soft Kohl Liner in the shade 38 brown, and with this one I'm gonna line the outer part of my lashes, also a little bit on the eyelid. I'm dragging the eye pencil on the outer part of the lower lash line as well. And I connect the line in the eyelid. I'm also bringing it a little bit outwards to elongate the eyes and give a more uplifted effect. I'm blending that out with a synthetic brush by Sleek. With a smaller blending brush, I'm blending the edges a little bit more, because I don't want any harsh lines of the brown eye pencil on the eyelid and also in the crease. And this brush is by Luxie number 114. Let's do the same on the other eye. Up next, I'm taking this eyeshadow here. It is a light brown chocolatey matte eyeshadow and it is called Fawn. I'm diffusing this into the crease area as well, but closer to the eyelid with the brush 221 by Zoeva. I'm trying to keep this color in the outer part of the crease. I'm also blending on the eyelid without any additional product. I apply a second layer of the same eyeshadow. Without any additional product, I'm also blending on the eyelid. I'm taking a little bit of the light peach eyeshadow and I'm blending the edges of this one. Now I'm picking up the shade Daybreak, and this one is a dark brown chocolatey matte eyeshadow. With the brush 141 by Luxie, I'm diffusing this on the outer part of the eyelid. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm blending the edges on the eyelid. I'm taking the same eyeshadow and this time I'm blending the lower lash line. Here we have this beautiful gold eyeshadow and it is called Star-Crossed. This one is a shimmery eyeshadow with some very fine micro glitter in green and purple. It is very beautiful and I'm going to press that on the eyelid with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. I'm pressing the eyeshadow with my fingertip as well to intensify the golden sheen. With the brush 225 by Zoeva, I'm taking the Daybreak eyeshadow and very lightly I'm diffusing this in the outer crease to give to my eyes a more uplifted effect. gonna take the peachy eyeshadow one more time to blend any edges. I have here a sponge tip applicator, and with the side of it I'm going to take again the gold eyeshadow, and I'm pressing that in the inner lower lash line and a little bit in the tear duct. With this little small brush, I'm taking again eyeshadow fawn, and with this one I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. After that, I'm also taking the peachy eyeshadow and I'm going over the edges again. In the waterline, I'm gonna use the Linery Fine Eye Pencil by Maybelline. This is in the shade 33 Black. I want to create a winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna use the liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. I have applied some lashes off camera, and this is the style 117 by Lanolips. These are very affordable. You can also use them a lot of times because the band is very flexible and durable. I have also applied some mascara. This is by Essence, the You Better Work Volume and Curl Mascara. During this video I had this lip product on my lips. This is by e.l.f. and it is in the shade Mocha Kiss. I think it is called lip oil. And then now I want to apply this one by Nude Sticks. This is the lip and cheek pencil in the shade Mystical. It's very easy to use this one because it is a big pencil. Also, it is very creamy like a lipstick. On top of this, I'm going to use the lip oil again. You can find here more wearable eye looks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!